from Raw Blend. Today I'm making for you a brand new dip recipe. This is a really simple recipe if you're entertaining or you've got some friends coming around at the last minute. It's really quick and easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. So this is a sun-dried tomato dip and let's get started. So here I have half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes and I've got 1/4 cup of the oil, okay, from the sun-dried tomatoes. Now you can use olive oil if you want, doesn't really matter, but there's a little bit more flavor in this oil because the sun-dried tomatoes have been marinating in it. So I'm using the new Vitamix E310 Blender with the 1.4 litre container, a really handy sized container, especially when we're making dips. I've got 2 tablespoons of water I'm gonna put in. I have half a cup of cashew nuts. You can use any sorts of nuts, almonds, pine nuts, entirely up to you. I've got 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, okay, to give it a nice sort of cheesy flavor, and some Italian herbs. So just about a teaspoon there of beautiful Italian herbs. I've got a teaspoon of garlic powder. This is some fresh garlic powder that we dehydrated in the Sedona food dehydrator. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just gonna put in a squeeze of lime juice. In that goes. And a little bit of salt, just to taste. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna lock our lid into place. I'm gonna start that on speed 4. I'm gonna use my tamper. Now I want this to be a chunky style dip, so I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to puree it. I want it to be blended, but still have some nice little chunks in it. All right, so away we go. That's it. All right, so that's beautiful consistency there. I'm gonna try that. A little bit of celery. So you can see that nice sort of chunky consistency. Really nice, really beautiful. You could use this as a pesto if you wanted, for pasta or anything like that. Nice zucchini noodles would be beautiful. Yeah, great. Happy blending.